What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on HA5, and in today's video we have an update on Aster. It is on the green side. It is up 10%, guys, trading at $1.34. So we'll be looking at what is next, how high is it likely to go for the rest of November, going into December and early 2026. Is it time to buy, sell, or simply hold? But again, before I go any further, this is no financial advice. Any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. Looking at Bitcoin, not performing well at all. It is at $91,000. Very likely will drop below 90, potentially heading down to about 85, 87 towards the end of this week, which should have a negative impact on the crypto market. However, Aster at the moment is on the green side, and so are a few other cryptocurrencies if we look here. But again, the RSI is pretty low at 50 and 59 average, guys, so no major movements are predicted according to the RSI. However, if we look at the Bollinger Band, it is slightly over the red line here, which is the upper band, and that is the maximum level that Aster should be trading at $1.30. However, it is trading at $1.35, indicating a bearish movement or a very slight price correction coming up over the next couple of hours. Towards the end of the day today, going into tomorrow, we should see Aster dropping down a little bit further than where it is at the moment. And again, it is likely to increase in value before it slowly starts to drop back down, before again increasing back going into December. But again, that all depends on how Bitcoin performs, and I'll make sure to keep you guys updated on a regular basis on that. Zooming into the hourly chart, we can see since late last night it has been pumping quite a bit. Right now stabilizing around 135. Now that it's realized it is slightly more on the overvalued side, so indicating a slightly bearish movement over the next couple of hours. And if we bring up the MACD indicator here, it is looking quite bullish here. Reason being is the but the increase in value that has taken place over the last 12 hours. It thinks is going to keep going in that direction. However, as mentioned, it is more on the overvalued side, indicating a slight bearish movement from Aster over the next few hours. Over the coming days, for the rest of this week going into early next week, Aster is likely to start dropping down in value further than where it is at the moment, dropping down to about 120 is where I'm predicting it to be trading over the weekend and going into early next week. Reason being is the crypto market is looking quite bearish at the moment, with Ethereum down 3%, Bitcoin down 3%, and it is likely to drop a little bit further later on in the week. However, December at the moment does look bullish, but again, guys, cryptocurrency is a very volatile market, so I will make sure to keep you guys updated. Zooming out to the daily chart, going into December, January is looking quite promising. We can see that the lines are not looking steep and they are looking bullish, heading over the signal line and the baseline, indicating a bullish movement for Aster heading into Q1 of next year. However, if you guys do want regular updates on Aster, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to do that for you guys. But at the moment, it is looking quite positive for Aster. And if we go here, you can see Pivx, XNO, Solve, they're all up. However, again, ICP is up a good 11%, which is pretty good to see. But we did see ICP drop quite a bit earlier on last week. It did drop about 30-35%. Heading back into the CoinMarketCap website, trading volume is up over 20% right now at $1.23 billion, guys. And over the week, the crypto has gained 27%, and over the month just about 11%. We can see how volatile it has been, up and down, and it has more or less maintained its value. 11% is not major compared to how much it has gained over the last week itself, so it is more or less maintaining its value, and its average value does seem to be about 120, hence why I am predicting it to drop down to about 120, 125 going towards the end of this week and early next week as well. So if we get rid of the MACD indicator here, we can see how quite clearly that yes, it is a pretty new crypto that was launched back in September, meaning we do not have much historical data, but it did hit a high of 240 and a low of about 81 cents back in about 2 weeks ago, and slowly starting to gain back up. However, those of you guys looking to invest into this crypto right now, I'm staying away from it. I don't believe this is a crypto to be investing in for the long term. For the short term, yes, it may be a good buy, maybe not right now, but whenever it does drop. But again, as I mentioned, this is not a crypto that I will be investing into. A lot of people have been saying it is likely to hit $10 by the end of the year. Highly disagree with that. Reason being is I'm not predicting it even to hit the $2 mark by the end of the year, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys predicting this crypto to go in 2025? And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Before you click off, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video to enter the giveaway, and I'll catch you guys all in my next update. Until then, take care and peace.